Spurred by environmental legislation and a general rise in e-mobility technologies, automakers and parts manufacturers are ramping up production of electric vehicles. To meet current and anticipated demand, increased focus is placed on the individual manufacturing steps, including battery pack fabrication necessary to meet production targets, laser processing materials, and, specifically laser welding, is an essential practice to the surge in e-mobility. This article examines the requirements for laser systems needed to weld similar and disparate materials, support growing demand, and accommodate a still evolving technology landscape. Considerations to the advent of AI and other process monitoring functions are placing new challenges on laser makers and manufacturers.